In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the app icons on Windows 11. First of all, I'm just going to show my icons because I have them always disappeared and hidden. Now, to change your shortcut icon, it's very easy. So all you need to do, just go and find the app that you want to customize. So let's say an example, it is Wind Scribe. So once you left click on that, of course you'll need to right click. You will need to go and choose more options or show more options. It should be the bottom one. So once you go and click on that, you should find a lot of things in here. All we need to do, just go to send to, and here you will have to go and click on desktop, create shortcuts. And as you can see, you should find a new shortcut created. Now you can just go and right click again, this shortcuts, show more options, properties, and all you need to do right here is just go and click on the shortcut tab. So in the shortcuts, as you can see, you can go and select an icon from the list. So you can go and click on change icon. And as you can see, if you have multiple shortcuts to choose from, you will be able to do so. If you don't want to, you will be able to go and click on browse and look basically for an icon that is good for you. So you can select an icon from the list if you have multiple, or you can even upload your own, but it should be .ico file. So let me just go and open like this and .ico. I'm just going to look for .ico pictures example. So let me just go and look for some random ones. I'm just going to okay, this is good. Okay, I'm just going to download this one. Okay, we need ICO and let's just download. So, okay, it is downloading. Of course, I want it to be right here. Click on save. And now I'm going back to this option. So all I need to do, go back in here, click on pictures again, click on that option. And as you can see, we'll change the icon right now. So click on OK. And here we are. The icon changed. I can just go and click on apply, click on OK. And here we are. A new icon for my wind scribe. You can now, as example, just go and delete this option if you want to, or you can just go and keep it if you think you might I don't know, forget about the icon or something like that. But normally, if you keep the title right here, you shouldn't forget about it. So if I click on it, as you can see, it will open Wind Scribe for me as well. So that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.